What is going on, cryptocurrency investors? My name is Landon and you are watching Blockchained. We provide multiple cryptocurrency news and market analysis videos each and every day. So follow the coins that interest you the most, as well as learn about projects that are not on your radar that should be. Projects just like Mithril, who are standing above the rest in top gainers all month, breaking away from the downtrend when the overall market and Bitcoin particularly are down. Mithril continues to soar. Join the Typerium official Telegram group to enter yourself into the Bounty Rewards program and drop your email into the Typerium mailing list. It's one of the hottest ICOs that's launching this year. And joining the Telegram group gets yourself some free tokens, as well as you can participate in some amazing cryptocurrency discussions. Many of the topics I feature on this channel. Having an impressive $360 million 24-hour volume for an incredibly new coin with a lot of promise. Look at that volume spike. It is no wonder that it has been trending for several days now, and we need to cover this coin to bring our viewers up to speed with why it's making so much headway. As many of you are aware, based on our last video, Bitcoin has rallied above $8,000 and the global cryptocurrency market is sitting at a healthy $308 billion, well above the $300 billion crucial support level and well above the $250 billion market cap that we've been struggling with for well over a month. Dipping as low as 238 and kissing 280, we have not seen a surge, particularly looking at the one-day chart, a surge of $25 billion in the course of just 1 hour earlier on today. Since then, seeing slight upward trending over the last few hours, and time will tell. As I indicated 2 nights ago, we were breaking the $280 billion resistance level, and I said that we could wake up to a $300 billion market or equally a $250 billion market. Well, the latter did not come true, and we woke up to a booming cryptocurrency market. Will the bulls come in and maintain this progression? I can only hope so, as volume in the overall market has continued to rise. Bitcoin dominance is slowly being drained, and a lot of these projects like EOS, Verge, and Tron should be doing well but has not been doing well, as well as projects like Mithril are really getting their chance to shine and getting the much deserved volume. Crypto Daily has picked up on the incredible almost 200% gain that they were at one point today. They've dropped now to 135% over 24 hours, which is still very good. They are the #1 gainer in the top 100 over the last 24 hours. And obviously this amount of hyperactive growth isn't going to continue for an extended period, with the value being a little less than it peaked at 52 cents. And although a slight correction is expected, if the overall market cap continues on a resurge, we may not see this coin slow down at all. And we could see it very quickly reach all-time high levels of 76 cents and upwards of $1 if the market cap can continue this bullish trend. What is Mithril? Before we dive into what this ERC20 token is and what it intends to do, it should be mentioned that they are primarily only on OKEX exchange, with BitHum having 22% of their volume. Their volume is pretty evenly spread out. The majority of their volume and trading happens on OKEX. What is it? Heading over to their website, which is myth.io, it is a decentralized social media platform that rewards all content creators, much like that of Typerium and ALTCOIN, along with a handful of other content creator decentralized platforms. Users can create and mine Mithril tokens through social mining. Each user's content and social interactions generated in the Mithril ecosystem will mine MITH based on the algorithm. The Mithril token is a token based on the ERC20 standard established by Ethereum that is being challenged by projects like Neo, EOS, and in the future, Tron. You can then spend your Mithril tokens throughout the merchant network with online applications such as dating services, premium content channels, and live stream applications or retailers, starting with this Taiwanese fashion website, which seems to be a subsidiary of GQ magazine. And through the Mithril Vault, users will be able to exchange MITH for Bitcoin or Ethereum. Their first project is an application known as Lit, and users can share their stories, similar to a Snapchat story, Instagram story, and Facebook story. Once Snapchat came out with the story feature of their application, Instagram and Facebook both pretty much stole that idea and implemented it for themselves. And as we've discussed in the Telegram ICO video that I did a couple of days ago, the future of messaging lies in blockchain technology, and the philosophy and overall vision that the Telegram ICO, as well as ICOs like Mithril and like ALTCOIN, as well as Typerium, which is launching soon and probably going to be one of the hottest ICOs this year, just like Mithril has been, they are changing the overall landscape of instant messaging and really working towards a brighter, much more connected and transparent future via blockchain technology. The entire goal of the Mithril token is becoming the most optimized and best blockchain for using social network applications. Mithril makes integration with all the top social media platforms a primary focus, which is a daunting task in my opinion. Getting Facebook and other applications on board with a potential competitor is going to be a difficult task that I'm anxious to continue to report on their developments. So make sure to subscribe and keep it locked right here for ongoing developments in coins that are of interest to myself and you. Comment below and let me know which one of the many Ethereum based platforms you are familiar with or you're interested in learning more about. Social mining, as I mentioned before, is a concept that is completely unique to Mithril, and it deserves some explanation. All the content that a user creates plus all of their social interactions within the Mithril ecosystem automatically mine some of the ERC token MITH, based off of the algorithm built into the platform. The development team at Mithril feels that due to the predicted influx of viewers and users, the ecosystem will be able to generate large quantities of revenue for those engaged in social mining and begin to do so very quickly. As the network becomes more popular and as more users naturally get involved in the ecosystem, the profit opportunities will continue to rise exponentially, encouraging more growth and more creative content. It is really a perfect circle system that I'm very interested in checking out for myself as a content creator here on YouTube and as somebody that's trying to get better at producing this content and determining what is the best content to be released at what time. And that is keeping my finger on the pulse of cryptocurrency, which I am doing each and every day. So follow me on Twitter to keep yourself up to date and join the community by commenting below and joining the discussion. As I mentioned, Lit is their beta version of one of the key parts of the entire Mithril ecosystem. The team created the application Lit to meet the needs of the current generation who are interested in cryptocurrency as well as social media. As many of you are well aware, it takes one look at an urban center to realize the new focus of entertainment is on these portable digital devices, and short videos like this on platforms like YouTube are the future of entertainment. Tapping into that, which coins like Mithril, Typerium, and ALTCOIN, just to name three of many, are looking to get involved in this multi-billion-dollar industry, which is continuing to get more and more users. The creativity and potential out there is unreal. Tapping into that would be a key goal for a development team like Mithril. The app Lit includes features such as discovering new friends, story feeds, and instant messaging. To help users monetize their personal content, Lit will integrate seamlessly into the most popular major social networks, provided they can achieve some of this, which I imagine there's going to be some roadblocks. But I will be reporting the ongoing developments as they become available. Aside from just the investment opportunity for people that are interested in getting rich via cryptocurrency, I don't advise that as a general day job, and I don't advise anybody without a substantial amount of market experience in both stocks and cryptocurrency to try their hand at day trading or swing trading. Your best bet is to do your research on platforms just like blockchain and determine what projects you personally feel are worth your time and investment, and buy those assets. Continue to watch the markets, but don't put your everything on the line in these daily swings. Your best bet is to bank on coins and take some chances on ICOs once you've developed the knowledge to feel comfortable in doing so. But until then, continue to do your research. Mithril is definitely tapping into something that blockchain applications will no doubt have a big presence in the future. There will be a social media content creation platform that gets to be #1 for utilization and overall effectiveness. Will Mithril be that one? It's hard to say. This particular niche market of blockchain technology in social media marketing and content creation is one that is just developing, albeit developing very rapidly. And with Mithril introducing social mining, it is definitely an idea that many blockchain enthusiasts can sink their teeth into, and I'm very excited to see how this gets developed in the future. Due to this new social mining concept and the unique reward system that Mithril employs, there are bound to be incentives for millions of users to join the Mithril ecosystem. And if they appreciate and continue to grow in revenue potential and overall value, like the development team has coded into the ecosystem and like they anticipate, it's only going to continue to grow in both value and worldwide utilization. Will Mithril be a mainstay in the cryptocurrency top 100? It's hard to say. Being so new, it is definitely difficult to judge a coin like this, but being so new and carrying the amount of market cap that it currently has and commanding the 24-hour volume that it has, with just the gains it's seen in the last week, this is definitely a coin to watch out for. And it is definitely a coin that is seeing an increase in volume, and it is going to land on many people's radar in the very near future, if it hasn't already. It landed on our radar just last week when it was continuously pumping out good numbers. So keep it locked right here at Blockchain for all your ongoing developments in this coin, along with any other coin that interests you. Comment below and let me know what topics I should be covering as we continue to get more money into this super exciting and emerging industry that is just in its infancy. I can't say it enough, everybody. We are at the forefront of something big. The prices right now of Bitcoin being under $10,000 in 5 years is something that's going to be unfathomable. Nobody fully realizes the opportunity that we have with prices being so cheap. Blockchain technology is the future, and these markets are not going anywhere anytime soon. Despite what all the major fiat representatives have to say, they are only naysaying while behind closed doors they are accumulating positions in this market. Look for more pumps and look for a lot more market value to come in over the coming months as we resurge and see Bitcoin approach all-time highs yet again. Thank you so much for watching Blockchain. My name is Landon, and until next time, everyone.